I have a tablet. Mommy, could I have? Say, Mom. I do feel bad. Can I open my big present?
Go downstairs.
This is from Robbie.
Yes, you can open it.
What is it, Rob?
Oh, thanks you, Robbie. Is this mine? Thanks, Robbie. Is this mine? Is this
Let
mine?
me see, honey.
April, what did you get, huh?
This is only a box. Thank you, April. Nothing.
I think that's from
Here,
Dora.
open it up. I gave you that.
Destro.
What is it, guys?
Show Dad.
I'm going to do it, my brother. Oh, this is so hot. Dang, how about we could
He's
play?
got a laser gun. All of you boys.
I needed the alarm clock radio. Yeah, well, you're going to have my own. You guys, I got radio. I got this recorder.
Be going away.
You did, Rob. Let's
I
see.
needed an alarm clock. Wasn't it?
We'll be going away
Is
later.
the mall flooding for me? Oh, this is a pin. I didn't see it.
Don't wake the dragon.
Ah.
April, what kind of stuff did you get there?
Oh, this here.
Do you like it, huh?
We each got a Santa bear. Did you get one? No. I got one. There it is. You got a Santa.
April, did you see your camera?
Yes,
Is that what you wanted?
It's my Santa bear.
How do you like that coat there?
Bear.
April, you have two coats. You have to decide which one you want. One of them comes with the legging, and the other one has the real thick lining in it. It came after all.
I am not this. Is this it?
See, the one hanging there is a real thick one.
Yeah, I like this one
Yeah,
better.
it doesn't come with any pants, though.
I like this
You have to
one.
try them on. This one has a flower on the back.
I like
too.
this one better. Mommy, my pen I wanted.
What is that, Mark?
Look. Oh, I got the video game. I know. Oh, that's from me. No, it's from Mom.
No, it's from Mom.
Let's see, Rob.
Thanks. Awesome. Thanks a lot. I can't know. This TV. It's all of ours, James.
Isn't it neat?
Color?
You can go in the basement.
I have one. We got a new TV, Mom. Oh,
That's from Grandma Bush, that
Thank
TV
you.
guy.
See it, April?
I don't know. Thanks.
It's a game of some type.
Playing like the car and stuff.
Can I have any more off to open?
I don't know. I don't know.
Where's my present for Mom? At Grandma's. Oh, cool.
Let's see, April.
April, this is from me.
What is it, a diary? Or a phone book?
Organized.
Oh, is that nice?
This is from you, Mark. Thanks, Mark.
Hey, Don.
Two cards of Kung Fu game.
Rainbow Bright. Or it's a bright Sprite. Rainbow Sprite. I tried to get Mark one, but they were all out.
Mom, get that.
Is that yours, Mark?
Thank you for that.
What is it, Mark? Hands, huh?
Ooh, I got my own real camera. Yeah, it's from behind. Mom, I want to take some pictures.
Go ahead.
Can you load this for me? Can you load this for me? Mom, can you help me load this? Thank you, James. You're welcome.
Did you see that jogging or that sweatshirt, April? Those tight pants? Dad.
Wait, I'm trying to find this one. Is it mine?
No, it's too long.
Dad! It's yours.
That's mine?
Yeah. What happens? What do you gotta do? Shoot the other
Oh, is
person?
that pretty?
It's the switch here.
Yeah.
Doesn't go where.
Yeah. Maybe batteries are in.
Close the batteries up. You took the batteries out.
For you.
Or are they? Are they in it?
That's your batteries. I like it. What do you do with this? Mom!
Is that yours, Mark?
Yeah.
You sure?
Mom, I can't find anything that I found yesterday. I found lots of things wrapped and I can't find them anymore.
No, you don't have that many.
I knew I hit a lot more. I remember I hit a couple more. A teddy bear. What do you gotta do? What do you gotta do? Shoot the mirror? Yeah. Starburst. You guys, get off. I can't even do anything. April, this isn't yours. What is it? I know what you're jumping at. No, good job. I know that. I didn't. Thank you. Here's the guy thing. Oh my gosh. Look at us, Mom. Come on. Look at all this stuff. Wow. I like 'em. Wow. Mom, you know what? If you close on something's on.
What is that, Mark?
This has.
What's his name?
Oh. That echo.
I don't know what's wrong. We're gonna have to fix it.
Hey, Mert, smile. I'm gonna take a picture. Hey, Mert, when you're done with it, I'm gonna take a picture, okay?
I don't know, Mark. I can't.
Mom, I like
Not
my
supposed to
stuff.
be touched.
Can you go to your bed? I'm gonna get that.
We can put that TV in the basement, April. Won't that be nice?
I'm not gonna get that tray.
Yeah.
I picked that jogging suit.
Very. I thought it'd be comfy. It was pretty.
Oh, it's just beautiful.
Mom, once Mert's done, I'm gonna take a picture of it.
So we
You
don't
like that
step
Santa
on
Bear,
it,
Ren?
honey.
I'm lucky I saved my money for the film when I take it. Ow.
Did you take one yet, Jimbo?
What?
Did you take one yet?
I took one.
Did the flash go off?
James.
Your eyes are up.
Yeah.
There you go. Look at Marky.
Can't take a
picture. Oh,
Okay,
my
just a
gosh,
minute,
it's
Mark.
scary.
Yeah, these are for you. Ready?
These are for you.
This is the last one I'm taking. Okay? Destro, look at me.
Purple.
Let's see it, Donna. What is it?
It's a
We
little
made it in
copper
school.
hook thing, like,
We made it in
was it teddy bear on it, James? Dad's
Jimbo,
trying to
can you
take
move
a
on?
picture.
See? Mom. Dad, look.
Let's get it in focus here.
It's
James!
a little copper punched teddy bear. Copper punched.
Grandma.
Wow.
Look.
There you go.
Nick.
Oh, okay, yeah.
April made that in
I'm
school.
gonna open my barbecue. See how I paid this.
Oh, yeah. This is, you can print out newspapers and stuff, or newsletters and columns and all sorts of different things. And see, the one that we have now, you
Hey,
can't
April.
do that. And, oh, this is going to be fun. Do we need a newsletter, children, today? Or print out the McDonald's?
What is
Hi. You know, I saw these, and I almost got them for April.
What?
I thought, well, maybe you could,
Oh, I love this thing.
they're just beehives. They're not gonna be-
You know who's gonna?
Yeah.
Hey, Mom, open them. Open this. Open it.
I hope we've got.
This is to April, James,
For the
Robert,
family.
Mark, and Mike.
I thought it
Yeah.
had a bit.
For
Mom,
Mike.
I thought it bit. I thought it had a bit.
Watch out, Dad's
Open it
trying
real
to take
fast.
a picture.
Really neat.
I bet it's a dog inside here.
No.
A doggy?
I know. I know it. That's that thing. With that sweatshirt with the stars.
I'll get the paper out. Ow. This. Here,
Give me
I'll-
some nut knife.
What are you doing? Go ahead.
I don't want you to take a film of me.
Why not?
You should see this, Mom.
Watch out, watch out. I got thing here.
Smell it. I sprayed too much and it stopped.
Oh my goodness, it's a printer.
No,
No?
it's a color monitor.
Color, this funny.
It's a green and color. Green.
Oh.
Yeah!
Oh, we got a color monitor.
Oh, how nice.
Isn't this?
And now I can play my new Kung
Oh,
Fu
Larry,
game.
this is so nice.
And look what
Where'd you get the money to pay for it, honey?